Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare tomato and onion recipe. This recipe goes well with rice, with chapatis, with puris, and you can have it any time of the day with even bread also. So the ingredients that we require to prepare this recipe are 3 big tomatoes. I have roughly chopped them. 3 medium size onion. I have chopped them. 2 green chilies cut diagonally like this. 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger and garlic. Little bit of fresh coriander leaves. This will give a lovely flavor to this recipe. Salt as per our taste. This is Kashmiri red chili powder. We'll be using this 1/4 teaspoon just for the color. And I'm going to prepare my recipe in the mustard oil. You can use any other oil, but mustard oil gives a nice flavor to this recipe. So now let's start cooking. Now in a kadhai, I have heated 2 tablespoons of mustard oil and I'm going to add the chopped ginger and garlic. Saute this. And now we will add the chopped onion and the green chilies. We'll saute this for a minute over medium flame. We'll add the tomatoes. Now we'll add the salt. The chili powder. Little bit of coriander leaves. And now friends, we will cover this and cook over medium flame till our tomatoes becomes nice and soft. After 5 minutes, I'll remove the lid friends, and you can see the tomato started leaving water and got cooked also. So we will increase the flame to high. And we will keep sauteing this and cooking till it starts leaving oil. You can taste the salt right now. If you want it more spicy, you can add more green chilies to this friends. As you can see friends, oil started leaving, so that means this recipe is ready. You can add a little bit more coriander leaves. Now let's transfer it to the serving bowl. Here is our tomato and onion recipe ready. Garnish it with fresh coriander leaves. Very easy to prepare, friends, and it gets ready in very less time, and at the same time it is very yummy, and it can be savored with rice, rotis, chapatis, parathas, puris, bread. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.